Does anybody remember Rabbi Akiva's reaction when he saw Shu'alim on the Har HaBayit? Mitzachek. He's laughing. What's so funny about Shu'alim on the Har HaBayit? What's so funny? Shu'alim Otiot Yishmael. The Shu'alim represents Yishmael. When Yishmael claims the Har HaBayit is ours, Yushalayim is ours, the land is ours, Rabbi Akiva laughs because Rabbi Akiva knows Vatitzchak liyom acharon. He knows the end is near. We're close to the finish line. We're almost there. But, says the Chida, B'zchus es tzemach David avdecha mehera tatzmiach v'karno tarum bishuatecha. Why? In the zechut of ki lishuatcha kivinu kol hayom. In the merit of our yearning, our awaiting, our davening, our demanding. The Gemara says, Tzion hi doresh ein la miklal debai drisha. We need to ask for it. We need to be tovea it. We need to claim it. B'zchut zeh, we should all be zocheh to see Hashem should watch over Achinu Beis Yisrael, Be'eretz Yisrael, V'chol makom, and we should all be zocheh to see Yeshuot v'nechamot lanu l'chol Yisrael. Amen.